Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to install a free VPN on your NUBIA Red Magic 5S device. First, I have to tell you that the free VPN is not safe to work with or view banned content because free VPN doesn't protect your private data. Let's get started. So at first, open web browser and go to 2ip.io website. Thanks to this website, we can see how websites see our location in network. But now, just open Play Store and find here TurboVPN application. Find application with a rabbit on the icon and install this app. Then click Open, click Agree and Continue. Click on the cross on the left top corner. And cool. Now by clicking on the globe, we can choose the country we want to connect to. For example, I want to connect to Germany, or just click on the caret on the center of your screen to connect to the fastest VPN server. Then click on the cross on the right top corner. And cool, we are connected successfully to VPN servers. Now just check how websites see our location now. So open TurboVPN.io and reload this page. And as you can see, we are in Germany, in Frankfurt. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you. Bye.